This is the LINGDU Dashcam, a great quality dash cam that you're going to need, and it's also something that can really save you from a big hassle. Right out of the box you can see the dash cam, and it looks great. And what's really cool about it is it's got really good quality video like what you're seeing right now. The other thing you're going to notice right off the bat is that there's two lenses. So there's one that goes on the road, and then there's one for inside, which is great if you're like an Uber driver or a taxi driver and you want to make sure you capture everything. You have all of that right there. You can power this with USB-C, and it does come with a cable. It also does have a quick access button as well, and a reset button. The adhesive on here is very strong. You just peel this part off and you stick it on your windshield. Plus you can use this to angle it, and also you can remove it. You can slide this part right off. Now, to cover all of your bases, they actually even include a rear camera as well. So you can pop this on the back of your car. It has adhesive on it. It has a very long cable that you can snake through and get to the connecting point, which will connect all of this together. And it comes with a 12-volt car charger so that you can power it. And if you're new to dash cams, they have a really easy to follow user manual to set it up. The front-facing camera gives you 5K quality video at 25 frames per second, or you can drop it to 4K at 30 frames per second. The front rear cabin camera gives you 4K at 30 frames per second, as well as 1080p and 2K. And the rear camera gives you 4K at 30 frames per second, with an aperture of 1.75. It does have internal storage of 128 gigabytes, and it does have a GPS built in for all of those stats. With the app, you can actually preview in real time. You can pick whichever camera you want to display. You can also even go into the picture-in-picture feature for the simultaneous display of all three images on the screen. You can enable or disable your audio recording. You can put parking mode on, which means this thing will be on even when you're parked. You can set a time lapse on it, and there's more settings you can adjust as well, including adjusting the G sensor, where you can actually set this thing whether you want it to be low for like low impact to start recording, or high impact to start recording. And also it has loop recording, where you can adjust how much loop recording you want. All in all, if you're looking for your all-in-one solution where you have 3 different cameras to capture all the angles you need to capture to make sure that you are covered in any case, this is a great one. The video quality is really good and it just works. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.